Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage SLA in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Service Level Agreement, also known as SLA, can help the organization track service performance and can help users respond and resolve cases on time. So in order to create an SLA, we'll go to Settings, Service Management, and Service Level Agreements. We will click on New. So let's give this SLA a name. It will be for silver customers, and it will be applicable from usually we use created on. It specifies the date and time from which the SLA item will be calculated. We can choose here the business hours and the SLA type. We have two types of SLA, a standard and enhanced. The enhanced SLA allows to push and resume. So in the first example, we will use the standard, and we do not allow push and resume. So let's save it, and let's create an SLA item. Okay, the first SLA item will be for first response. And it will be applicable always, so no filter criteria here. And the success criteria will be when case first response sent equals yes. Okay, so now I have to update the failure time. So my team needs to get back to the customer in 3 hours. I can add a warning. So the warning could be after, let's say, 2 hours. Let's save it. Okay, now if I want, I can add a failure action. It works very similar to workflows. After the failure, I can send an email or create a record or change status. Okay, so let's save a new. The second SLA item will be for case resolution, and it will be applicable always, and the success criteria will be when the case status equals resolved. And also here I can update the failure time, let's say after 8 hours, and the warning will be after 7 hours. Okay, great, let's save and close. And let's activate. The only way an SLA get applied is if it is a default SLA or if it get applied through an entitlement. So for keeping it simple, I will set this SLA as default. And let's go and open a new ticket, a new case. We will give this case a name, and we will update the customer here and click save. So as you can see, the SLA was applied. You can see the first response should be in 3 hours, and we should resolve the case in 8 hours. Okay, that's great. This was the first example of a standard SLA. Now we will create an enhanced SLA. We'll go back to Settings, Service Management, Service Level Agreement, and we will open a new SLA. Let's call it customer and let's choose the enhanced SLA, and we will allow pulse and resume. Let's save, and let's create the SLA items. They will be similar to the standard SLA. First one will be for first response. Success criteria will be first response sent equals yes. The failure will be after, let's say, 2 hours, and warning after 1 hour. Save. As you can see, unlike the standard SLA, we can add a success action. Okay, so let's save a new. We'll do the same for case resolution. The success criteria will be status equals result, and the failure time will be 7 hours, and warning after 6 hours. Let's save and close. We'll activate. And set as default. The last thing I would like to show, we'll go to settings and service management, service configuration settings. So here I can select on hold case status. For example, if the status will be waiting for details, the timer of the SLA will pause. Okay, so let's click here and open a case. Let's call it test 2. Let's choose a customer here and create this case. So as you can see, the standard SLA is empty, but the enhanced SLA, you can see the first response should be up to 2 hours, and I should resolve this case in 7 hours. So if I will change the status to waiting for details and save, I can see that the SLA is paused. If I will change it again, it resumes. Also, if I change the first response to yes and click save, I can see the first response is succeeded. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have more questions regarding SLA management, you can contact us. Our contact details are written below. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.